So you moved into your dorm, you figured out where all your classes are, and you're ready to get started with your college experience here at Miami. As you start to dive in, the libraries are here with a series of workshops to hone your skills and locate resources. Workshops like
the most useful apps for college students,
how to efficiently read for speed and comprehension,
what 3D printers the libraries have, and how to use them.
Interested? We'll also tell you about
how U.S. copyright law, including fair use, impacts you, your academic work, and your class presentations.
How to tell whether the news you're reading on social media is real or fake.
Pretty important, right? We're also holding workshops on
how to cite sources and avoid plagiarism, so how not to cheat.
Oh, and speaking of citations, we'll also teach you
how to cite in APA style.
Anna did MLA style.
And finally, we'll wrap with
ways to improve your communication skills and present like a pro.
So take advantage of the libraries this fall. Check out our website, live.miamioh.edu for the full schedule.